Hey, what's up guys? It's Nick from TSPROF right here. Today I have very exciting news for you guys. So the first one is that our well-known kill-free pro hunter is back in the United States. So now it is available for order from our warehouse in Tennessee. No need to wait, just place your order on our website and get it within just a few days. So there you'll find two delivery options. The first one, standard, takes from 2 up to 5 days. And there's also express delivery, which takes from 1 to 2 days. The second news is that we are announcing a summer super sale. So most of our sharpening kits like Blitz 360 base, Blitz 360 standard, Blitz complete, Cadet Nero, Kill-free expert, Kill-free standard, standard 2021, Kill-free hunter are at 22% discount. And Cadet Pro also comes with discount 15%. This summer sale will be up to August 3rd. We are stocked, we have good discounts, so don't miss this great opportunity, guys. The link to the online store is down below. Take care and stay sharp.